Health benefits of fermented food for your microbiome, plus a list of 20 fermented foods you must try. You deserve a gut that's happy and healthy, and fermented foods are here to help. Discover the amazing health benefits of fermented foods and how they can transform your microbiome for the better. Join me on a journey of fermentation and uncover the top 10 amazing health benefits of these delicious foods. Say goodbye to gut issues and hello to a world of tasty, nourishing treats that will leave you feeling your best. But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. First, let's take a trip back in time to when our ancestors first discovered the art of fermentation. They may not have known it at the time, but their discovery would have a significant impact on the future of human health. In the past, fermentation was mainly used to preserve foods, enhance shelf life, and improve flavor, but over time it has been associated with many health benefits that we are going to appreciate by the end of the video. One of the most studied microorganisms during fermentation is lactic acid bacteria, LAB. These bacteria synthesize vitamins and minerals, produce biologically active peptides, and remove non-nutrients. Biologically active peptides produced by the bacteria during fermentation have been shown to have numerous health benefits, such as blood pressure lowering, prebiotic, antimicrobial, anti-carcinogenic, anti-allergenic, and antioxidant effects. Speaking of biologically active peptides, they have a laundry list of health benefits. From blood pressure lowering to antimicrobial to anti-carcinogenic effects, these peptides have been shown to have a significant impact on overall health. Fermented foods provide many of these benefits, including anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, anti-atherosclerotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial activity. So without further ado, let's dive into the incredible health benefits of fermented foods and why you should consider adding them to your diet. Improve gut health and prevent leaky gut. Leaky gut is a condition that occurs when the lining of the intestinal wall becomes damaged or inflamed. When this happens, the tight junctions that connect the cells in the gut lining become loose and allow harmful substances like toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles to leak into the bloodstream. This can trigger an immune response and cause a variety of symptoms such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, fatigue, headaches, and skin problems like acne and eczema. The gut lining acts as a barrier between the inside of the body and the outside and is responsible for absorbing nutrients from food and preventing harmful substances from entering the bloodstream. When the gut lining is compromised, it can lead to a variety of health problems, including autoimmune diseases, allergies, and chronic inflammation. One of the most effective ways to prevent leaky gut is by consuming fermented foods. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt are rich in probiotics, which are live bacteria that provide a range of health benefits. Probiotics help to strengthen the walls of the intestines, creating a healthier mix of microbes and improving gut function. In addition to probiotics, fermented foods are also a great source of prebiotics and postbiotics. These are types of fiber that feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, helping to support a healthy microbiome. Consuming fermented foods can also help to reduce the risk of allergies and eczema. The probiotics in fermented foods have been shown to strengthen the immune system and improve skin health, leading to a reduction in allergy symptoms and an improvement in overall skin quality. This takes us to our second benefit. Boost the immune system and reduces inflammation. Fermented foods enhance immune function by introducing beneficial bacteria into your gut microbiome. As the gut microbiome is responsible for regulating the immune system, a healthy and diverse environment can help your body fight off infections and illnesses. By munching on fermented goodies like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and yogurt, we invite helpful bacteria into our gut. These bacteria work hand in hand with our immune system cells to fine-tune the body's response to infections. Some types of lactic acid bacteria can even boost antibody production, proteins that act as our personal shield against sickness. These foods can also increase the activity of immune cells, such as natural killer cells and T cells, which play important roles in fighting off infections and cancer cells. Studies have shown that consuming fermented foods can reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. Improve digestion. When it comes to digestive health, fermented foods are a game changer. These amazing foods can help to ease digestive disorders such as bloating and constipation by promoting healthy digestion. One of the reasons for this is that the natural sugars and starches in fermented foods have already been broken down, making them easier to digest. But that's not all. Fermented dairy products like kefir and cheese are particularly beneficial for those who are lactose intolerant. During fermentation, lactose in milk is broken down into simpler sugars such as glucose and galactose, which are much easier to digest. This means that people who normally have trouble digesting dairy products can often tolerate fermented dairy without any problems. Not only does this make fermented dairy products a great option for those with lactose intolerance, but it also means that they can help to improve overall digestive health. By providing the digestive system with beneficial bacteria, fermented foods can help to keep things moving smoothly, reducing discomfort and improving overall digestion. So if you're looking to improve your digestive health, adding fermented foods to your diet is a great place to start. Improve mental health. A recent study found that consuming more fermented foods and fiber daily can significantly reduce stress levels, which can improve overall mental health. But how exactly do fermented foods help with stress reduction? Well, the answer lies in the connection between our gut and our brain. The gut is often referred to as the second brain because it contains millions of nerve cells that communicate with the brain via the vagus nerve. Fermented foods contain beneficial bacteria that help to balance the gut microbiome, which in turn can positively impact the brain. These beneficial bacteria, known as psychobiotics, can produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin and GABA, which are involved in regulating mood and anxiety. In fact, this study also found that participants who consumed more psychobiotic foods reported the greatest reduction in perceived stress levels. Heart health. Lastly, improve heart health. Emerging research suggests that the gut may have a more substantial impact on heart health than previously believed. The findings have shown that a healthy gut microbiome can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and support overall heart health. So how can fermented foods help improve heart health? Probiotics found in fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir can provide modest heart-related benefits. A recent review article published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that daily consumption of kimchi helped people lose weight and lower their blood pressure. Another study also noted improvements in blood sugar and cholesterol levels with the consumption of fermented foods. Fermented foods contain beneficial bacteria that can help to balance the gut microbiome, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. The reduction of inflammation can also help to lower the risk of heart disease. Moreover, fermented foods contain bioactive compounds like peptides and organic acids that have antioxidant properties that can improve heart health. So what is your reason for not consuming fermented foods despite all their benefits? In fact, I have compiled a list of fermented foods you can try for your 20 days challenge. Here are 20 fermented foods that you can try. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, yogurt, kefir, miso, tempeh, pickles, koji natto, sourdough bread, fermented vegetables, carrots, beets, radishes, fermented soybeans, fermented tea leaves, fermented hot sauce, kvass, fermented dairy cheeses, fermented apple cider vinegar, fermented salsa, fermented fruit jams. Remember, the good thing about fermented foods is that there is no harm in daily consumption. Conclusion. Ready to give your gut health a boost? Start incorporating fermented foods into your diet and see the benefits for yourself. What's your favorite fermented food? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Cheers to a happy gut!